Kaugnay sa pag-alis ng BRP Teresa Magbanwa sa Escoda Shoal, mapanayam natin si Commodore J. Tariela, ang tagapagsalita ng Philippine Coast Guard for the West Philippine Sea. Magandang umaga po.
Magandang umaga, Sir Arnold, at mga taga-subaybay niyo po, sir.
Hindi po kaya lalo daw lumakas ang presensya ng China sa Escoda Shoal dahil sa pag-alis ng BRP Teresa Magbanwa?
Well, una sa lahat, Sir Arnold, no? Ang Philippine Coast Guard, BRP Teresa Magbanwa, nang na-deploy natin ito since April, meron siyang dalawang mission. And that is to prevent China from doing reclamation activities.
Apo.
Second is to protect the marine environment. Sa loob ng 5 buwan ng pagkaka-deploy niya rito, na isagawa niya naman ito. And for the Philippine Coast Guard, it was a mission accomplished. No? However, it's important for us to note that the reason why we need to pull out BRP Teresa Magbanwa right now is because of the heavy weather condition and questionable seaworthiness na tinamo niyang damages because of the ramming incident nung nakaraang August 31.
Apo.
And the depleting supplies natin. No? Nabanggit naman niya na commanding officer kahapon, they ran out of water and they even have trouble, no, to sustain yung pagkain nila dahil, as he said, kumakain na sila ng lugaw for the past 3 weeks.
Opo. So hindi masasabing ito'y pag-abandona na ng ating Coast Guard dyan po sa Escoda Shoal?
Well, for the Philippine Coast Guard, this is not an abandonment. No? We're not going to abandon BRP Escoda Shoal dahil pinull out natin ng Teresa Magbanwa. Ang sinasabi lang natin is we are just repositioning our vessel. It will undergo repair and of course supplies. But then again, there are other Coast Guard vessels that we intend to deploy in Escoda Shoal, Sir Arnold.
Oh, so may kapalit ang BRP Magbanwa habang ginagawa?
Well, yes, Sir Arnold. No? Okay. That's the plan of the national government. Binanggit din niya ng ating Executive Secretary na Teresa Magbanwa is pulled out for the repair and the refurbishing, but we're still going to sustain our presence in Escoda Shoal.
Naging matagumpay ho ba yung misyon ng BRP dito po, Teresa Magbanwa, sa reclamation pong ginagawa ng China dun sa Escoda Shoal?
Well, as what I said, Sir Arnold, no, we have successfully deterred China from doing reclamation activities since we deployed Teresa Magbanwa for more than 5 months.
Opo. Mga ilang araw po bago mapalitan at baka pagbalik ho natin doon, may runway na naman.
Well, hindi naman siguro tatagal ng ganyan, Sir Arnold.
Okay.
No? Sa mabilis na panahon ay ang Philippine Coast Guard po ay we are planning out the deployment, no, without disclosing the operational details of our plan.
Opo. Kumusta po yung ating mga tauhan dyan sa barko? Ang tanong po ay ba't nagkulang daw yung supply, no, ng pagkain o inuming tubig? Di ba may mga airdrop pong ginagawa? Resupply tayo na hinaharang po at minsan nakakalusot naman po.
Well, Sir Arnold, this is an open book, no, sa ating mga kasamahan sa media and publiko. The national government really had difficulty in doing the resupply operation para sa Teresa Magbanwa. The last time we had the successful resupply mission was August 31, and that's only limited to 300 kilos.
Opo. Assurance lang po, Commodore Tariela, sa mga kababayan nating Pilipino na hindi natin isinusuko itong Escoda Shoal.
Well, let us be very clear, Sir Arnold. No? The Philippine Coast Guard, together with the national government, particularly the Armed Forces of the Philippines, recognizes that Escoda Shoal is a low tide elevation. It falls within our own exclusive economic zone. We have sovereign rights over this, and the Philippine Coast Guard will continuously patrol and deploy our vessels to make sure that our flag will always be there. But let me also emphasize, Sir Arnold,
Opo.
Meron kasing misconception.
Opo.
Ang Escoda Shoal, gaya na sinabi ng ating commandant kahapon, has a total area of 137 square kilometers. Ganyan siyang kalawak. No? You can just imagine the combination of the cities from Manila, Caloocan, Navotas, and Malabon. No? That's 130 plus square area kilometers. No? Ang posibilidad na harangin tayo, napakadaming areas nito na pwedeng lusutan. That's why the Filipino people can still bank on our commitment that in the next coming days, our Coast Guard vessels will be once again sailing in these waters.
Maraming salamat, Commodore J. Tariela ng PCG. Ingat po.
Thank you, Sir Arnold.
Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa mga kapuso abroad, subaybayan nyo kami sa GMA Pinoy TV at sa www.gmanews.tv.